Finding the perfect mascara for voluminous lashes can be a game changer for your makeup routine. Whether you want dramatic, bold lashes or a more natural lift, having the right product is essential. Today, we're diving into the top 5 mascaras for volume, breaking down their features, benefits, and performance. From cult favorites to luxury picks, these mascaras are designed to give you fuller, fluttery lashes with ease. Let's explore and find the perfect match for your beauty needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Too Faced Better Than Sex. The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is a cult classic, loved by beauty enthusiasts for its ability to deliver dramatic volume and length. Its innovative formula and brush design make it a top choice for anyone seeking bold lashes. Key features: this mascara features an hourglass-shaped brush that coats each lash evenly for a voluminous, clump-free look. Its collagen-infused formula adds thickness and drama while staying lightweight. The deep black pigment enhances lash intensity, creating a bold statement. Benefits and usage: beginners and pros alike will love how easily the Better Than Sex mascara transforms lashes. It's buildable, allowing you to achieve both subtle and dramatic looks without flaking or smudging. Simply wiggle the brush from the base to the tip of your lashes for maximum effect. Usability: the ergonomic design of the brush ensures ease of application, even for those with short lashes. The formula glides smoothly, giving you full control over the volume and length you want to create. Durability: this mascara is long-lasting, offering up to 12 hours of wear without smudging. Its sturdy tube design ensures it stays fresh and easy to use, making it a reliable staple in your makeup bag. In the second spot, we have Maybelline Lash Sensational. The Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara is an affordable, high-performance option that delivers a full fan lash effect. Its unique brush design separates and volumizes lashes for a stunning, eye-opening look. Key features: this mascara features a curved, multi-layered brush with 10 layers of bristles that capture every lash. The formula is lightweight and buildable, providing clump-free volume and length. It's available in washable and waterproof variants for versatility. Benefits and usage: beginners will appreciate how easily the Lash Sensational mascara enhances lashes. The curved brush hugs the natural shape of the lash line, ensuring even application. Simply start at the base of your lashes and sweep upward for a fanned-out effect. Usability: its smooth formula and intuitive brush design make it easy to use, even for those new to mascara. The lightweight texture prevents lashes from feeling heavy, while the buildable formula ensures you can customize your look. Durability: with up to 12 hours of wear, the Lash Sensational mascara stays put without smudging or flaking. Its compact tube design is travel-friendly, ensuring your lashes stay stunning wherever you go. Coming in at number 3 is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. The L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara is a drugstore gem, known for delivering high-end performance. Its voluminous formula and soft, wavy brush create lush, full lashes in just a few strokes. Key features: this mascara boasts a soft, wavy bristled brush that evenly coats lashes for instant volume and length. The formula is infused with nourishing oils, keeping lashes soft and healthy while delivering intense black pigment. Benefits and usage: Lash Paradise is perfect for anyone seeking dramatic volume with minimal effort. Its creamy formula glides smoothly, ensuring clump-free application. For the best results, wiggle the brush through your lashes from root to tip, layering for added intensity. Usability: the mascara's ergonomic brush and lightweight formula make it beginner-friendly. It's easy to build up volume without creating a heavy or sticky feel, ensuring your lashes look naturally voluminous. Durability: Lash Paradise provides up to 16 hours of wear without smudging or flaking. Its sleek tube design and reliable formula make it a long-lasting addition to your makeup routine. Taking our fourth spot is Benefit They're Real. The Benefit They're Real mascara is a top choice for anyone looking to achieve defined, voluminous lashes. Its unique brush design and long-wearing formula make it a standout product for lash enhancement. Key features: this mascara features a custom domed brush with staggered bristles that grab, lift, and separate lashes for maximum volume. Its jet black formula is smudge-proof, water-resistant, and designed to stay vibrant all day. Benefits and usage: perfect for beginners and experts, this mascara lifts and defines lashes effortlessly. The unique brush shape ensures every lash is coated evenly, from the inner corners to the outer edges. Simply apply in zigzag motions for a full, dramatic effect. Usability: the lightweight formula and easy-to-hold applicator make it user-friendly for all skill levels. It's designed to enhance your natural lashes without clumping or flaking, ensuring a flawless look. Durability: they're real. Mascara offers up to 12 hours of wear, resisting humidity and sweat. Its durable tube and reliable formula make it an excellent choice for daily use or special occasions. And finally, at number 5, we have Dior Diorshow. The Dior Diorshow mascara is a luxurious option for creating dramatic, voluminous lashes. Its professional-grade formula and oversized brush deliver a high-impact look that lasts all day. Key features: this mascara features an oversized brush inspired by backstage makeup techniques, ensuring maximum coverage and volume. Its formula is enriched with microfibers that add length and thickness, creating a false lash effect. Benefits and usage: Dior Diorshow is ideal for anyone seeking a high glam look. The oversized brush coats each lash from root to tip, adding dramatic volume and length in just a few swipes. Apply in upward strokes for a bold, eye-catching effect. Usability: despite its luxurious design, this mascara is surprisingly easy to use, making it suitable for beginners and pros alike. Its smooth formula ensures even application, allowing you to build volume without clumps. Durability: Diorsshow's long-wearing formula stays put for up to 24 hours without smudging or flaking. Its elegant tube design reflects the high quality of the product, making it a standout in your makeup collection. Choosing the right mascara can completely transform your lashes and boost your confidence. From drugstore heroes to luxury picks, these top 5 mascaras for volume cater to different styles and preferences. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. See you in the next video.